All right, boys, say hi. Boys. Hello.
Cooper, Kyla. Not today, Dad.
Not today. They're not having the bumpy roads much.
No, if you can see Cooper's face, he is petrified, mortified.
So this is the Broad Run Trail in Virginia. It's right on the border of Virginia, West Virginia. It's a pretty easy trail. Most of it's gravel, dirt. It's got a lot of water crossings though, which is really cool. We've already hit 5. I think we're
At least
5.
Yeah.
We're about 7-8 minutes in,
Yeah.
not including the camera work, I guess. And I'm assuming, depending on the time of the year, is whether they're higher or lower. All of them are real easy to cross now. It's December.
A lot of stones.
A lot of stone. It's all river rock for the most part. But it's a nice little trail. It's kind of mixed between private and national forest. Onyx Off-Roads, if you have the subscription, the premium account, you can see what's private and what part is national forest. This is going to be the George Washington Jefferson National Forest. And you can disperse camp in that forest. So as long as you're not on the section in here that's private, which you can see.
People have signs up.
Yep.
For the most part, there's on the trees telling you what you can and can't trespass on.
You can see here, all the light green that's highlighted, that's all national forest. And that's something awesome that Onyx Off-Road does. So we're going to be coming up here into the national forest area, and we're going to try and find a campsite and set up camp, and then we'll finish it out in the morning.
Wish us luck, guys. Boys,
No bears tonight, right?
that's not even funny. Stop. Christmas tree. Can we stay there?
I see it. Looks like a good spot.
Perfect.
Back it
Home
up.
sweet home. Back it up like a Tonka truck. Dale. Boys, we're home.
Hello, Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. It's like a 5-star campsite.
packed up. Just left camp. It was cold.
It was cold. My hands hurt.
Dogs didn't want to wake up.
No. Cooper is definitely a Florida dog. He was really cold every time he went outside. Kylo was just in his element.
Mind you, it's December 20th, and it's 27 degrees outside. No snow, a little bit of frost though when we woke up this morning.
It's 9:48 in the morning as well, so
Yeah.
it's probably really cold last night.
Yeah, I don't even know what the temp was last night.
I don't either. Our phones aren't working. No service.
Yeah, no service out here. But the campsite was awesome.
It was.
We're gonna finish out this trail. Keep you guys going with it. Later. Radio check.
Check, check. Check, check. Shh.
Right now you're just gonna come straight.
Do you hear me though? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, so radio check.
Check, check.
Alright, so right now you're just gonna come straight.
Okay.
The driver a little bit. Okay, straighten out. Come on through.
I did it!
Stop.
Oh, I'm trying to go. Check, check, check. Did you turn it off?
Turn it off now, we're done.
Well, you weren't listening to me.
I was listening to you.
I wanted to talk more. Sergeant, this is Skipper. Over and out. Shh. This is Morgan, Kyle, and Cooper. We're cold. We're ready. Yeah, but it's okay. We got our Starbucks now.